Hey everyone, welcome to Roads of Oz. My name is Matt and today I've got something a little bit different for you. Because see, I haven't ridden motorcycles for quite a few weeks. The reason for this is I actually took a trip to Fiji. It was a cruise and I'm not going to share the whole cruise with you. There's so many people that do that for a living, but I will share with you the highlight of my trip, which was snorkeling at Mystery Island. Not to worry, we'll be back to motorcycle content soon, where hopefully we'll make progress on this. Just hopping on to Mystery Island. You can see the ship out there. It is massive. And just got to find my tour group. So you're taken around and you pick up your snorkel mask and fins. We there walk another 100 metres and you're at the beach itself.
There's more up the back.
So they'll put some dish soap in your mask. This not only cleans it, but it also helps stop fog it up when you're underwater. Now they take you on a little boat just out off the beach and you jump in and you virtually just float all the way back to the beach. Now, a tip I'll give you is the more you move, the less marine life comes near you, and that's another tip I had. Try break away far enough from the group that none of their movement affects the sea life around you. You pretty much minimise your movements and just float there, and all of a sudden you'll have all this marine life just swimming around you. so that pretty much concludes the snorkeling drift trip at Mystery Island. Absolutely amazing. Can't thank the locals who run that tour enough. It was just truly amazing. Not a lot of effort required. You do spend a lot of time drifting. The hardest bit was getting in and out of the boat, and also when we got here, taking off your fins. Anyway, I'm going to go for a walk around this lovely island and just take it all in. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and if you like this video, check out one of my other videos right here.